Hello students. Today we will learn the chapter 29, paragraph writing. We all know how to write a paragraph writing. So paragraph writing is a short piece of writing that consists of related sentence about a single topic. A topic is given, a single topic is given, and you have to write a short passage. Okay. Topic sentence. Each paragraph deals with a new idea which is presented in the topic sentence. In fact, the topic sentence tells us what the paragraph is about. It is the first or the second sentence and its summary, the main idea of a paragraph. All sentences after this sentence expand upon the main idea. In the topic sentence means the topic is given, you have to explain line by line. First explain, you have to say, then you have to explain the main ideas of that, why this topic is given, what this topic means. Okay. Supporting sentence. The supporting sentence expand upon the main idea. Main idea is the topic and you have to write a sentence. You have to support that sentence. Concluding sentence. It is the last sentence of a paragraph. It re-embeds the main idea and concludes the paragraph. Means at the last we conclude the sentence. At the last, when we know that we have to finish that sentence, and that time we have to conclude that sentence. While writing paragraph, we need to use a word and phrase to link our ideas and sentence together. This word gives our writing a flow. Some words and phrases that are often used in a paragraph are but so first, second, therefore, then still similarities in short. Finally, for the example afterwards, and also at the same time next later. Okay, we have to, at the conclusion, we have to write after that we will use these words that finally or afterwards, at the same time, next or later, we can use when we conclude the sentence. Okay, now see, read this passage about cat. See, it is a topic about the cat. How this paragraph is written. There is some truth in the common saying that while dogs become attached to person, means everyone. It is true that everyone loves dog, and dogs easily attached with that person. The cats are generally attached to place, and cats that are attached to the place where that cat is living. A dog will follow his master anywhere, but a cat can keep to his house it is used to. Okay, the dog always follow his master. Whenever that master will go, the dog will follow that master. But a cat always follow that house where it is used to. Even when the people living in the house moves to another house, the cat remains in the same old house as long as it is treated well by the new owner. Okay, when the people living in that house moves to the another house, but the cat remains in the same old house as long as the new owner will treat that cat well. A cat usually does not show any personal fondness as in the case with the dog. Okay, the cats does not show any type of personal love towards that owners, but the dogs so loves towards that owners. Okay, it's mostly think of its own comfort, and hence its love is also uncertain. The cat always think about his own comforts. That's why its love is also uncertain. Okay, now see next. It is a cold day. I was scared. It was my first day at Springdale's public school. Okay, here it is a paragraph about Soham's first day at a new school. Okay, Soham. So it is a cold day. It was in winter season. He was very scared. He was very afraid. It was the first day at a Springdale's public school. Daddy had been transferred to Kolkata and I joined the new school there. His father has transferred to Kolkata, so he has joined the new school there. I was in class 5. When I entered my new class, I was scared. Okay, Soham, when he entered his new class, he got afraid. He did not know Bangla at all, and a lot of children were laughing and talking to each other in this language. Okay, Soham did not know Bangla, and lot of children were laughing and talking to each other in this language, in Bangla language. I thought they would all make fun of me because I did not know their language. Soham thought they would make fun of Soham because Soham did not know the Bangla language. Everybody felt quiet when I entered the class. Okay, when Soham entered the class, everyone became silent. The class teacher wasn't there. The class teacher was not there in the class. Then suddenly a boy smiled at me. Suddenly, a boy smiled at Soham. This was followed by many students coming to me, and this was followed. And many students comes to Soham and asking his name. They all smiled at my and tap me on my shoulder in a friendly way. All the students, they smile and they just catch their shoulders in a friendly way. I instantly felt comfortable. Soham feel comfortable. Many of students asked me to sit next to them. Many students asked Soham to sit with them. I shyly told them that I could not speak or understand Bangla. Soham told that he could not speak or understand Bangla. They laughed and said they did not speak in Bangla all the time. The students laughed at Soham and said they did not speak in Bangla all the time. They mostly used English at school because the children are saying that in the class we use in the school we use English. Okay, Soham, I felt relieved. Soham felt relieved. It was a happy day. I was glad to be among so many new friends, and for Soham it was a happy day. He became happy that he has got new friend. Okay, now see, here we have to write about the new world's best father, the best day of my life, and my favorite festival. Here you have to write about my favorite festival. So, what is your favorite festival? My favorite festival is Durga Puja. Okay, now you have to write it your own. Okay.